Hello and welcome to this PowerPoint presentation. This presentation is a tutorial on how to open up a new Gmail account and how to access Google Hangouts as well. There are some topics here that we will be covering. The first one is viewing Windows Desktop, going to the Start menu to access Windows applications, clicking and starting your chosen internet browser, using the search engine in your browser and typing new Gmail account. Next, clicking on the search result for registering for a Gmail account. Next, fill in the registration fields available. Next, accessing Google Hangouts through your Gmail account. And a couple of other points. Follow the series of number of slides, the tasks that you'll be asked to do during when you see the slides, and with care, and take your time doing the tasks. So here we have a couple of examples of the kind of Windows desktop you may have on your PC. So this one here, we have Windows 10. This would be a typical desktop for Windows 10, and this would be a typical desktop look for Windows 8. So I have a couple of numbered bullet points here. So as you can see, number one is viewing Windows desktop. So this Windows 8 and this Windows 10 are marked as 1. 2, going to the Start menu to access Windows applications. So the Start menu in Windows 8 is slightly different. It's just a bunch of tiles. You don't have a Start menu like you would have on Windows 10, which is down here, marked number 2. And it's the same with this Windows Desktop 8. You can see that this arrow points to Internet Explorer. You might not use Internet Explorer. However, you can use these free popular internet browsers. This is Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and Opera, which are fairly popular internet browsers. And this is an example of Windows 7 desktop. It's fairly similar to Windows 8 or Windows 10. The icon is just slightly different, and the representation of the programs in the programs field there is just slightly different, but this is pretty much the same as Windows 10. So just like the last slide, viewing Windows desktop with desktop, typical Windows desktop, Windows 7, going to the Start menu to access Windows applications, which is down here, the Start button, and finally clicking and starting your chosen internet browser. So as I said before, you can use Internet Explorer, or you can use Opera, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, and Google Chrome. So once you've successfully opened up your internet browser, in this highlighted field, type the phrase new Gmail account and hit the return key on your keyboard. You should have a few similar results to these. So pick the result that best match what you're looking for. So this one says create Gmail Google account. And this page will come up. So in this page, this is your registration form. So you should put in your first name, your last name, your username, password, and then confirm your password, and then click next. So you should have this other form to fill in. This is looking for your mobile number. I highly recommend using your mobile number in case you've forgotten your login details. The same with the additional email. If you have an email account separate to Gmail, very handy to have an email account to recover your login details. Here you can put in the month you're born, the day and the year, and then you can put in your gender, and you click next. And this privacy and terms form will come up next, and what you should do is you should tick these two boxes and click next. excuse me, you should click create account. So you'll get some results that looks like this after you've clicked create account. And what I would do is I just click next and click OK for the next window. So you have successfully created a new Gmail account. So it says here, click on the highlighted area to open it, a window of other Google apps. So you can see there's a few Google apps there you can avail of. I won't go through those at the moment. But what we're looking for is the Gmail account, your Gmail home page. So using your mouse on the highlighted icon, this will bring you into the main Gmail homepage. Now, when you're in the Gmail homepage, you can access Google Hangouts. So, as you can see here in the highlight area, you click on this icon here, and this list of Google applications will come into view, and you can use the scroll bar here to scroll down, and you can click on Google Hangouts. Within Google Hangouts, you've got some things you can do. So point number 14 here, you are now in the main Google Hangouts window as highlighted around here, and are ready to participate in a group call, video call, to have a discussion. Point number 15, once you have sent and received Gmails, you can use either of the three highlight options to invite your contacts to a video call, phone call, or send a message to them. So what if you want to get back to your Gmail account via Google Hangouts? That's simple again. You go up to the this icon here, and you click on the highlight icon as point number 16, and number 17. This will bring up the Google Applications window highlighted once again. You can see it's highlighted there. And once again, you click on Gmail, which is point number 18. So how to compose an email in your Gmail account. So you should see a window similar to this. So as it says here, in point 1, click on the compose icon highlighted. Next, point number 2, click within the to field, so that's this one here, highlighted, and type the email address of the recipient or recipients. So you can put a few email addresses in there. Point number 3, in the subject field, type in here what the email is about. So you can type in whatever it is you want to alert the person as to what the email is about. And this area here is where you type your message. And finally, when you're done, you can press send, point number 5. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you very much for watching.